Introducing the 2021 BMW X3. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the journey while you conquer the road in the X3. Intelligent technology, confident and balanced, this sports activity vehicle was designed for passionate drivers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel the thrill of the chase when you accelerate in the up-for-anything X3. Test drive it today.